Good evening, Standard 9, Subject Science, PLE Model Questions, Part 4. Question number 1. Study the diagram and answer the questions. Grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle. Classify the above organisms. माथिका organismहरू के हुन् लेख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. Number 1, grass. Grass is a producer. It produces food. Grasshopper is primary consumer, that is herbivore. And frog, primary secondary consumer. Snake also bigger size, bigger secondary consumer. And eagle, tertiary consumer. Why? See, grass, grasshopper, frog, snake and eagle. This is a terrestrial ecosystem. Grass is a producer. It is eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper is a primary consumer. Frog is a secondary consumer. It eats grasshopper. Snake, tertiary or bigger secondary consumer. Snake eats frog. Eagle, tertiary or tertiary consumer. It eats snakes. What happens if all snakes are killed? Well, the wrong answer. It depends upon the marks. 1 mark छ भने अलिक थोरै लेख्ने, 2 or 3 marks भएमा बढी लेख्ने. You write down the answers according to the weight of the marks given. स्नेक्सलाई मार्यो भने के होला? सर्पहरूलाई मार्दा के होला? सर्प मार्ने बित्तिकै फ्रगको सङ्ख्या बढ्छ, यतापट्टिको सङ्ख्या घट्छ, इगलको सङ्ख्या पनि घट्ने हुन्छ, खाना नपाउने हुन्छ. त्यसरी स्नेक्स बढ्यो भने, मार्यो भने यिनीहरूको सङ्ख्या बढ्छ, यो सङ्ख्या घट्छ. What happens if all snakes are killed? If all snakes are killed, what will happen? Frogs will increase. The number of frogs will increase and the number or mass of others are badly affected. The number or the mass of others is badly affected. And what happens if snakes are killed? The eagle will get less food because the eagle kills and eats snakes. Eagle snake लाई खान्छ अनि the whole ecosystem will be upset. See here, grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle. Question number 2. What happens if all the snakes are killed? If all the snakes are killed, frogs will increase in number and they will eat all grasshoppers. And the amount of grass will also decrease. And all snakes are killed means eagles will get less amount of food and the whole ecosystem is unbalanced. The ecosystem won't be balanced. To balance the ecosystem, the numbers must be kept constant. question number 2. Question number 2 is, see, numericals. Some remaining numericals should be done. For example, what type of numerical is this? Find the wavelength and time period of a wave with speed 5100 meter per second and frequency 0.2 kilohertz. The question is as follows: find the wavelength and time period of a wave with speed 5100 meter per second and frequency is 0.2 kilohertz. Change in all data into MKS system. Solution: this is the speed or velocity 5100 meter per second. This one is frequency F is 0.2 kilohertz. 0.2 into kilo, 1000 hertz. 200 answer 200. 2 by 10 भनेपछि 200 hertz. What to find? Wavelength. What? Time period also. What? के निकाल्दा? Time period निकाल्दा we know lambda equal V by F. Lambda. Wavelength equal velocity by frequency. Velocity 5100 and frequency is given 2000 hertz. Then velocity by frequency. यसलाई काटौं 51 को 25.5 meter. What is the wavelength? 5100 by 200 kilohertz. Like hertz बनानी speed by formula V equal lambda F, lambda V by F, F V by lambda. Wavelength, velocity by frequency 25.5 meter. How to find time period T? 1 by F. Time period is, remember, 1 by F. 1 by 200 seconds. Please use the calculator. यसलाई गर्दा हामीले के गर्न सक्छौं भन्दा 1 by 2 into 1 by 100. 1 by 2 is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 second. अतः यसलाई एक्ज्याक्ट मा पनि लान सक्छौं. 0.5 into 10 to the power 5 or यसलाई 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 second is also correct. Into 5 into 10 यो पनि divide by 10 गर्दा 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 second भन्नाले 0 point something second हुन्छ. Very less time period. Frequency V by F, time period 1 by F in second. Question number 2A. Numerical problem related to sound. Another numerical problem related to find the refractive index of glass if the velocity of light in glass and vacuum or air is in glass 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second and 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second respectively. See, the speed of light. The speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Speed of light in air or vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. What is the refractive index of glass? Glass को refractive index. The meaning of refractive index, the ratio of velocity of light in vacuum upon velocity of light in the medium. Solution: velocity of light in vacuum, so VA 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Velocity of light in medium, in the medium, or in suppose here glass, Vm is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. In any medium, glass medium, air medium, diamond medium, it is called medium. Vm, velocity of light in the medium, Vm. Va, velocity of light in the vacuum or air. What is refractive index? Refractive index, mu equal what? We know mu equal Va by Vm, Va by Vm, that is 1.5. Refractive index of glass is 1.5 meter. Velocity of light in the air or vacuum upon velocity of light in the medium, that is glass. इसको रेशियो नहीं रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स हुन्छ. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. Some questions have already been written, but today you are practicing some different types of questions. Question number C is: find the resistance of a conductor if 25 milliampere current flows through the circuit with 20 volt. 20 volt PD छ. Volt here PD given. Current is also given. What is the amount of current? 25 milliampere. What is the amount of voltage? 20 volt. Find the resistance. Solution is as follows. Current flowing. Current is denoted by I, that is 25 milliampere. 25 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Remember Ohm's law. V equal IR, I equal V by R, I equal power by voltage, and resistance equal V upon I. Derived formula. Current I 25 milliampere, 25 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. PD or voltage P equal 20 volts. Resistance R equal what? We know R equal V upon I. Yeah, but I equal V by R, V equal IR, R equal V by I. V voltage 20 volt upon 25 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. इसलाई माथि राख्दा 20 into 10 to the power 3 upon 25, अर्थात् यसलाई 20 into 1 2 3000 by 25. यसले यसलाई काट्दा 40 कति आउनुभयो 800 ohm आउनु, that is ohm. Therefore resistance R equal 800 ohm. That is full form. ohm. 800 ohm is the resistance of the conductor. Current 25 milliampere, 25 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Voltage given, resistance equal V upon I. यसलाई माथि लाने 10 to the power 3 divide resistance R equal 800 ohm. 800 ohm. That is related to electricity. Some questions are also related to another question is related to see A B C D solubility. यो solubility चाहिँ अलिकति अलिक फरक खालको छ. चिसाउने how much copper sulfate will crystallize out when 30 gram of its saturated solution is cooled from 30 degree centigrade to 20 degree centigrade. Condition: the solubility of copper sulfate at 30 degree centigrade and 20 degree centigrade is here given 35 and 21. 35 and 21 respectively. यसलाई गर्ने तरिका how much copper sulfate will crystallize out when 30 gram of its saturated solution is cooled from 30 degree Celsius to 20 degree Celsius. 30 ग्राम सेचुरेटेड सोल्युसन छ कपर सल्फेट नीलो तुतोको त्यसलाई 30 डिग्रीबाट 20 डिग्रीमा चिसाउनाले के हुन्छ दाना छुटिन्छ दाना त्यसले फाल्छ पहिला हिट एन्ड कुल तताएर चिसाउनाले त्यो दाना फाल्यो हुन्छ कति ग्रामको दानाले बाहिर निकाल्छ यसको सोल्युबिलिटी 35 and 25 at 30 degree centigrade and 20 degree centigrade given. फर्स्ट कन्डिसन यसलाई के गर्नु पर्यो फर्स्ट केसमा 30 डिग्री सेन्टिग्रेडमा लिने सेकेन्डमा 20 डिग्री सेन्टिग्रेडमा यसमा लिनुपर्ने हुन्छ 30 डिग्रीबाट 20 डिग्रीमा कति हुन्छ भनेर निकाल्नु पर्यो सोलुसन फर्स्ट अफ अल एट 30 डिग्री सेन्टिग्रेड 30 डिग्री सेन्टिग्रेड यो पहिला हेर्ने यसमा सोल्युबिलिटी कति छ वेट अफ सोलुसन weight of solution here solution means saturated solution 30 gram given yeah 30 gram weight of saturated solution given यसमा we don't know weight of solute and solvent solute र solvent दुवै थाहा छैन त्यसैले के थप्नु पर्यो let the weight of solute equal x gram solute लाई हामीले के भनौं x ग्राम मान्ने सोल्युबिलिटी सोलुट x छ भने सल्भेन्ट कति हुन्छ वेट अफ सल्भेन्ट कति हो 30 माइनस x ग्राम हुन्छ सोलुसन माइनस सोलुट सोल्युबिलिटी इज गिवन सोल्युबिलिटी इक्वल 35 at 30 degree centigrade more temperature more solubility we know solubility equal weight of solute upon weight of solvent into the formula solubility weight of solute weight of solvent into 100 अब यहाँ हेर्नु त solubility दिएको छ यहाँ हेर्ने 35 solute x solvent 30 minus x 100 यसलाई यो र यो काट्न पाइन्छ देयर इज माइनस like 5 ले काट्नु त to make it easier. 5 7 5 20. It's like cross multiplying. 20 into x 20x. 7 3s are 21 minus 7x, or 20x plus 7x equal 210, or 27x equal 210, or x equal 210 upon 27. अब 210 by 27 को हामीले यहाँ हिसाब गर्छौँ. 220 by 27 को कति हुन्छ? यसरी क्याल्कुलेटरबाट पनि गर्न सकिन्छ. 27 ले 210 लाई डिभाइड गर्नु. अब डिभाइड गरौँ. 5 ले जान्छ हेरौँ. 5 6 ले 8 ले 7 ले हेरौँ त 189 डिभाइड गरेर हेरौँ. 1 यो 20 21 ठ्याक्कै आउँछ. यो यसलाई 210 लाई 27 ले डिभाइड गर्दा 7 point something, यहाँ point लेख्ने, यति गरी फेरि 7 ले डिभाइड हुन्छ 189 1 2 फेरि 7.777 यस्तो आउँछ. So it is better to write 7.78 round off. फिक्स 2 मा गएर यसलाई राउन्ड अफ गर्ने, अर्थात् यसलाई काट्दा 7.78 ग्राम चाहिँ सोलुट छ. सल्भेन्ट सोलुट x, सल्भेन्ट 30 minus x यो into 100 35. 5 ले काटौँ. 5 into 7 5 into 20 20 into x 20x. 7 into 3 30 210. 7 into x 7x. 20 plus 7 27x equal 210. यसलाई हुनु त 3 ले पनि काट्न मिल्छ. You can cut it by 3. यसलाई कसरी गर्न सकिन्छ भने 210 by 20 3 9 जा 3 यसरी पनि गर्न सकिन्छ. 9 ले 7 9 7 जा 63 7 फेरि 7.7777 आइरहन्छ. 7.78 ग्राम. एउटा कुरो सम्झौँ, x इक्वल 7.78. फर्स्ट केसमा the first case the value of solute equal 7.78. यहाँनिर म लेख्छु 7 यतापट्टि 7.78 यो x को भ्यालु. यसलाई सम्झौँ. फर्स्ट केसमा 21 छ. 7.78 21. In the second case, at 20 degree centigrade, what is equal? के चाहिँ equal हुन्छ भन्दा this is x. Value of x equal 7.78 gram. Value of solvent चाहिँ 30 minus x 30 minus 7.78 हुन्छ. 30 बाट घटाइदिने 7.78 2 29 कति हुन्छ 29 भनेपछि 22.22 ग्राम हुन्छ. यो आयो 22.22 ग्राम सल्भेन्ट. सल्भेन्ट फर्स्ट केस र सेकेन्ड केसको सेम हुन्छ. सल्भेन्ट इज सेम. Let the solute be y gram. In the second case, the solute is different. और solute अलिकति फरक हुन्छ किनभने at 20 degree centigrade the amount of solute decreases. Less temperature, less amount of solute. Solute चाहिँ y gram. We know what is solubility. Solubility, and remember 21 at 20 degree centigrade. 20 degree centigrade मा 20 छ. 20 degree centigrade मा 21 छ. 30 degree centigrade मा 35 छ. Or what is the formula of solubility? Weight of solute upon weight of solvent into 100 equal 21 given. Weight वेट अफ सोलुटलाई y लेट गरेको छ, सल्भेन्ट 22.22 ग्राम छ, इन्टु 100 इक्वल 21। अब यहाँबाट y को भ्यालु हामीले के गर्छौँ भन्दा 100y इक्वल 22.22 इन्टु 21 और y इक्वल 22.22 इन्टु 21 अपन 100। यसलाई हामीले अलिकति 22.22 लाई 21 ले इन्टु गर्ने पहिलासम्म। यु क्यान युज अ क्यालकुलेटर। डिवाइड बाई 100 गर्दा 4.66 यसको 6 आएको छ, 4.67 ग्राम। यसलाई अलिकति एट 30 डिग्री सेन्टिग्रेड 7.78 ग्राम सोलुट इज निडेड। एट 20 डिग्री सेन्टिग्रेड when the temperature decreases, 30 डिग्रीमा बढी सोलुट लाग्छ किनभने एक्सपान्सन हुन्छ, लिक्विडको एक्सपान्सन। 7.78 ग्राम सोलुट 20 डिग्री सेन्टिग्रेडमा 4.67 ग्राम सोलुट भएको छ भने अब यो भन्दा यो बढी छ, यो भन्दा कम। अब के हुन्छ त यो दाना छुटिन्छ। वेट अफ द क्रिस्टल इक्वल x माइनस y। x भनेको फर्स्ट केसमा 7.78 माइनस 4.67 ग्राम घटाउँदा 8 माइनस 7 1, यो 1 3.11 ग्राम क्रिस्टल नेपाली दाना। हाउ टु वाट टु डु? फर्स्ट केसमा के गर्ने? फर्स्ट केसमा सोलबिलिटी 35 राख्ने, x को भ्यालु 7.78 आउँछ। सल्भेन्ट हुन्छ 30 माइनस x, सोलबिलिटी 35 गिभन x भ्यालु 7.78। फर्स्ट केस सल्भेन्ट 30 माइनस x 22.22 ग्राम फर्स्ट केसमा। इन द सेकेन्ड केस अल्सो सल्भेन्ट इक्वल 22.22 ग्राम हुन्छ। सल्भेन्ट भनेको अमाउन्ट अफ वाटर फर्स्ट केस र सेकेन्ड केसमा सेम हुन्छ। एउटा यो कुरा याद गरौँ। लेट द सोलुट बी y ग्राम, सोलबिलिटी 21 एट 20 डिग्री सेन्टिग्रेड। वी नो सोलबिलिटी इक्वल वेट अफ सोलुट अपन वेट अफ सल्भेन्ट इन्टु 100 21 गिभन y अपन यही 22.2 इन्टु 100 इक्वल 21। क्रस मल्टिप्लाई, फाइन्ड द भ्यालु अफ y 4.67 ग्राम। वेट अफ द क्रिस्टल or weight of the solute or copper sulfate which crystallizes out on cooling the solution from 30 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius is x minus y। 7.78 minus 4.67 ग्राम 3.11 ग्राम अर्थात् 3.11 ग्राम को कपर सल्फेट को अर्थात् 3.11 को कपर सल्फेट क्रिस्टल दाना छुटिन्छ चिसाएपछि। Next question, possibly a car starts from rest, find its velocity and distance traveled in 2 minutes if its acceleration is 1.5 meter per second square। एउटा कार स्टार्ट फ्रम रेस्टबाट चल्न सुरु गर्छ। फाइन्ड इट्स भेलोसिटी एन्ड डिस्टेन्स ट्राभल इन 2 मिनट्स। 2 मिनट्समा त्यो कार कति पर पुग्ला? यसरी हेर्नु It starts from rest. U equal 0. Find its velocity and distance traveled in time 2 minutes. 2 into 60, 120 second. Acceleration 1.5 meter per second square. Final velocity what? Distance traveled what? We know. E equal U plus AT. U 0 plus A 1.5 time is 120. Ella multiply 180 meter per second. You know the 180 meter per second is the final velocity. What is the distance? V plus U by 2 into T. V final velocity 180 plus U 0 upon 2. Time taken is 120. 180 into 120 by 2. यसलाई काट्दा जुनले काटे पनि के फरक पर्दैन 90 मिटर यसलाई 1 2 3 10800 by divide by 1000 यो 0 काट्यो 10.8 kilometer distance. You can change, you can keep 10,800 meter or 10.8 kilometer distance. Therefore acceleration A equal acceleration given, final velocity is 180 meter per second, distance travel is 10.8 kilometer or 10,800 meter answer. यो चाहिँ स्टार्टिङ फ्रम रेस्टबाट चल्न सुरु गरेको हुनाले यस्तो भयो. अब अपवर्ड मोसनमा पनि हामीले गर्न सक्छौँ. एउटा हिसाब चाहिँ अपवर्ड मोसनको अनि एउटा डाउनवर्ड मोसनको हामीले हिसाब गर्न सक्छौँ. काइनेटिक इनर्जी जस्तो एउटा हिसाब हामीले यु क्यान जस्ट इमेजिन ओइल छ, यसको हामीले चाहिँ हाइट निकाल्नु पर्छ. फर्मुला एच इक्वल युटी प्लस हाफ जीटी स्क्वायर, वान फर्मुला. भी स्क्वायर इक्वल यू स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस जीएच. टाइम, इफ टाइम इज गिवन यू कैन इजिली फाइंड आउट द डेप्थ ऑफ द डेप्थ. और स्टोन of mass say 100 gram is dropped into a well and it reaches the bottom in suppose 5 seconds. Find its depth and kinetic energy of the stone just striking the bottom. This question is slightly different for class 9. 9 को लागि अलिकति फरक खालको छ. See, a stone of mass 100 gram is dropped into a deep well and it reaches the bottom in 5 seconds. यहाँबाट खसालेको यो 5 सेकेन्डमा तल पुग्छ भने यसको काइनेटिक इनर्जी कति हुन्छ निकाल्नु पर्छ. सोलुसन, what is the mass? Mass is 100 gram. 100 by 1000 kg, 0.1 kg इसको mass. You can easily find the force. During downward motion, G equal either 9.8 or 10 meter per second. 9.8 meter per second square. Ut plus half gt square. And initial velocity equal 0. Final velocity what? And first of all find the final velocity. We know V equal U plus GT. U0 G 9.8, it strikes the ground after 5 seconds. U plus GT, U0 G 9.8 5, यो आउँछ 49 meter per second. Final velocity V equal 49 meter per second. How to find the height h? Just like distance, we do h equal v plus u by 2 into t. Any formula or ut plus half gt square, or you can use this formula as well. Since you know h थाहा छ भने हामीले यसलाई h निकाल्ने formula यो पनि हो. What is the formula to find h? Either h equal ut plus half gt square. Find the difference. H equal ut plus half gt square. U is 0, time is 5 seconds, plus half g 9.8 5 square. अब यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा 0 यो 4.9 into 5 5 25. 4.9 into 25 multiply 4.9 and 25. 122.5. 122.5 meter. What is the depth of the depth? It is 122.5. Final velocity 49 meter per second. Depth is equal ut plus half gt square. 122.5. If you don't know this formula, you can use h equal v square minus u square by twice. Here the difference कति छ? v final velocity 49 square minus 0 square to 9.8. Or like 49 into 49 upon 2 into 9.8. यो गर्दा पनि त्यति नै आउँछ. हेर्नु त 4.9 ले काट्दाखेरि 2 हुन्छ. यो काट्दा 122 नै आउँछ. No difference. How to find the kinetic energy? How to find the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy of the stone is half mv square. The stone strikes the bottom of the well at the speed of 49 meter per second. यहाँबाट फालेको जुन ढुङ्गा छ त्यो चाहिँ 49 meter per second ले बजारिन्छ. Half mv square. Half is half. Mass of the stone is 0.1. V square is 49 square. Use a calculator and find the answer in Joule. I leave this question for the student. Student ले आफै गर्नु हुन you are requested or you are advised to solve the problem and find the answer in Joule. 1 by 2 into 0.1 into 49 whole square. 49 into 49 upon 2 into 0.1. Something Joule's answer. In this way, you can solve different types of numerical problems related to force and motion. Simple machine to find the moment. How to find the moment? You can easily find even the moment. एउटा क्वेशन म गरिदिन्छु. मोमेन्ट निकाल्ने फर्मुला. मोमेन्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेशन इज लास्ट क्वेशन इज मोमेन्ट. Find the moment if force of 60 Newton displaces a body to say 50 centimeter. एउटा बडीले 50 सेन्टिमिटर तल लान्छ. 60 न्यूटन फोर्स भएको बडीले The solution is, what is force? Force is given 60 Newton. Displacement D equal 50 cm, 50 by 100 or 0.5 meter. What is the moment? Moment of force we know m equal fd. Force is 60 newton, g 0.5 meter, 30 newton meter. 30 newton meter is the moment of the force. In the same way, you can solve the numerical problems related to find the unknown weight. Unknown निकाल्दा you have to use the law of moment. The total anti-clockwise moment is equal to the total clockwise moment. त्यो फर्मुला युज गरेर मोमेन्टम अथवा मोमेन्ट निकाल्न सकिन्छ. Okay, see this much for today.